Develop children's phonics skills with this innovative, interactive resource. With a number of different modes, levels of difficulty, and a comprehensive word bank containing over 800 decodable words, there are so many learning opportunities to support children at all levels and to help them to learn independently. In blend mode, children can experiment with words and sounds by placing a selection of grapheme or phoneme tiles onto the reader and pressing go. If the word is included in the word bank, a fully blended version of the word will be played back.
Turnip.
In segment mode, a word is played from the letters and sounds phonics phases, and children have to spell it out correctly to score points. Perfect for intervention. Electronic Phonics also helps children to blend and sound unfamiliar words quickly and accurately, using their phonics knowledge. The 10-second record function allows children to record their own phoneme sounds to hear them back.